So let's take a deeper look into how we can address the CIO's concerns and also the challenges which are there in the current software industry in SDLC. What's the need of the day? Clear and accurate requirement that reflect the business need and have the stakeholder support. A stakeholder support says, I want these particular aspects to be covered. These are my requirements which have to be covered in the application you're developing and delivering. That has to be exactly meeting the expectation of the stakeholder. If it doesn't, then it's certainly not acceptable. There has to be confidence in the outsourcer's understanding. They have to have this particular capability in order to get into the shoes of the stakeholder and try to understand from his perspective and then deliver. Stability with appropriate change. Yes, certainly. Change, as I said, change requests are part and parcel of any project. So they have to be taken well and then managed and have to be given a stable platform to be executed. And visibility into processes and practices. This is the key. You have to have a visibility into processes and practices. If you do not have visibility, then you do not have control and you will not have a predictability into the project. You do not know where what is happening and where what is going wrong. So all the customers, what have to happen in this SDLC? All customers operate a software supply chain. True. Everyone on this call certainly understands this. Some are all internal and some are all external. And there's also a blend of both. And almost always all the team are in multiple locations across the globe. Today, as we speak in today's market, we do not have a centrally located team as we used to have it earlier in the past, but not anymore. Most activities in the software supply chain can be outsourced, usually with the exception of business analysis. Right? So activities to the left are more related to value creation. That is requirement definition, requirement gathering, requirement management, and elicitation. This is really key. As we saw in the results of our survey with Vance and Bone, requirements not being given justice was a key to failure of many projects. So shift left, this is a common terminology which everyone understands. This is exactly what I'm talking about. The idea of a supply chain is to enable the business to focus more on value creation. Whatever is there on the left side, we are calling it as a value creation. I'm certainly going to talk more about this. And pass the execution activities to the external providers so that expertise can be used at a lower cost and risk. Let's learn more about this. Okay, I spoke about value creation execution. Here